What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing coilovers on my 1990 Mazda Miata. These are VMAX Fly Miata coilovers I picked up used for around $400. So without further ado, let's get on with the install. Before any install, I gotta get on some safety gear. Alright, so now that I got my gear and I'm ready to install, let's get it. So first of all, you're gonna need to jack your car up so you could take the wheels off and get the suspension off.
Even though it was long ago, I'm still caught up in the undertow, and the waves come crashing over me, cause I'm caught up in who I couldn't be. Cause what you want and what you need is a man that I can never be. And what you want and what you need is anyone but me. Couple years older than me, met you at Duke, you were out of my league. Was dating Caroline at the time I met you. She done got a song, now she doesn't get too low. Years disappear, years blow by. You fell in love with me, I don't know why, but every time
Alright, now that we have the car up on jack stands, we can get moving on to the suspension.
I'm in the city on tour, I pretend I'm your man, and for those hours I'm yours. But you deserve better, we both know it. I fucking love you, I never.
Got the first part of the front off, and all we had to do is unhook the upper control arm, the sway bar end link right here, and the 17 mil right here, and the two 14s on top, and we were able to, with some force, to get this out. So onto the rears. Alright, now that I got the springs out from the car right there, I'm gonna put spring compressors on, as you see right there, and time to take the top hats off and put on the coilovers. Safety right here. Oh shit! Ah! What the fuck? It didn't even spring. Alright, close it. No, it didn't even spring at all.
Started recording.
Started?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's how you... I'm not gonna talk.
Barely see it.
Alright, so once you get the top hats off, you just put it back onto your new coil and then install it on the car. So let's go. Follow me.
Show it, going as soon as I can. Get a real guy, baby, anybody but me. Cause what you want and what you need is a man that I can never be. And what you want and what you need is anyone but me.
Alright, once you get it in, you just put back those 14s up there, put the upper control arm back on, and just repeat the process how you took it out, and you should be good with the fronts. Alright, so the rears were pretty easy. You just go open your trunk. There's two 14s right there behind those fucking gas lines. It's hard as fuck to get to, but you can get to it if you have an extension or right tools. So what you want to do is just unhook the sway bar end link, which is that thing right there, and then there is enough play in the suspension for you to grab that old shock out. So that's what we did, and the rears are way easier than the fronts, so I suggest you start on the fronts first, and then you have the easy part for last. Alright, so since the spring compressors don't fit on the rear freaking springs, we're gonna have to do this shit getaway. Fuck. Hope we don't die. Oh shit! Fuck. Alright. Alright, so the fitment on the rears is kinda good. You can stick like 1.5 fingers back there maybe. But the fronts can go even lower, and right now it's pretty much slammed to the floor, and my front lip is almost touching the floor right now. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So I don't know. I think I have to, raise the suspension in the front just like an inch or two, an inch, because there's no way I'm gonna make it up any driveway in San Francisco. But yeah, so that's how the fitment looks in the rear. This is how the fitment looks in the front. Pretty much flush. So I think I have to roll the fenders, or else I'm gonna be scraping everywhere. And yeah, let's see how this drives, and there'll be some rolling shots.
Out of my league, I'm getting homes, baby, now I'm big leagues. I swear I'ma wipe you up one day, but for now I just text you when I'm on the runway. Sorry, say I'm in town, you say for how long? Say I don't know, some more small talk. I go to work for a while in the studio, go hit it like a groupie hoe, but you're not though.
So after driving the car home, I can definitely tell that there's less body roll, and it's much stiffer, the suspension. But I do need to raise the fronts, because I'm rubbing a lot, like every second. Like, it's not even like, you know, just when I turn, it's every single time I just go straight or hit a bump. It rubs my fenders, rubs everything. So I'm definitely going to need to raise it. But next week, hopefully next week, I can get an alignment for the car, and then I could drive it more, and then I'll get some rolling shots. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you like the video. Peace.
So it going as soon as